guys, the Angels Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm coming at you from Massachusetts with a purchase order from Spectrum Art Creations. I've already pre-opened the bag, so let's see what's inside. Some goodies. Okay, so we have this piece of lace. The piece of butterfly fabric. Cute. Some tissue paper with, looks like it's from a dictionary or something. I'm not sure. See? Because parts of it is missing. I can't really tell if it's from a dictionary or whatever. Also, got this. It looks like some very pretty paper. And I'm trying to set up a lot of my projects ahead of time so that I can, oops, accidentally threw a spoon in the trash can. And I don't want that to happen. Okay, let me sanitize. I'm going to show y'all the pages to the book. Dry my hands off. Got some my coffee. Ooh. What? Okay. This is mixed media. Craft the Clock from Blooming Retreat. Quitnance. I can't say it. ZACIZGZE. And I can't say the name here because I can't read it. Caroline. Let me see if I can see it on the big one. Burkowski. That's her last name. So, here's a 6x6 pad. And look at those tags. Woohoo! I'm so excited to use this paper, double-sided. And I think it repeats itself after a certain... Wow, that is thick cardstock. Really thick. This is so pretty. Look at that. This is already all ripped. That side. Wow. Now this one I really like with the angel wings right there. I love the flowers in the papers. That one. This one. You see, here's another ripped one. So, let me see something here. Yep, this one goes here. So that's a double. That's what I thought I had seen it. That's one double. Here's another. We're getting somewhere here. Let me see. Okay. So these are not, this one here. These are so pretty though. I love it. You can go to spectrumartcreations.com to place this order. And she does have a live sale every Saturday. Look at that, how pretty. So, wow, it looks like I got 3 pages of each. Let's double check this. I know we got this one. Let's see. That one there. This one. These are all pretty papers, guys. Really pretty. Gorgeous paper. This one's right here. So we got that one up there. And then, wait a minute. This one's here. So that one's got 3. This one has 3. I think they're all triple. Maybe, I don't know. We have this one. That one. Which is, what is she? Right there. This is the back end. Oh, very, very pretty. I love this paper. That one's there. So I think there's 4 sheets of each. We have this one, this one, this one. This one goes here. That one has 4 sheets. So we have this one here. 2, 3, 4. Well, I'm gonna have me some fun creating with this paper. And this is the last one, which goes here. So I think, yep, right here. So they have 4 sheets of each. The back and front cover has tags. So this is some gorgeous paper. Let's look at the 12 by 12. And what I'm going to do is when I put the 12 by 12 back in here, I'm going to put the 6 by 6 in here with it. Let me see if I can get it out of the paper, out of the packaging. There we go. So we have the front cover. This can be used up to this point here. But look at that. Woohoo! So we have that page. We have this one. Here's the back. It's just a repeat of the 6 by 6, but these are only single sheets. I only have 1 of each. Whoops, that one didn't go back in right. That one. There's the back. There's that one. Looks like a ballet shoe or something. There's the back. I really would love to have this whole thing here on the front of a journal. I have to try and see if Maddie has more like this because I really want to get another one. Because I really want that piece on a journal. Really, really want it on a journal. So we're going to put this back in here. And the easy way to do that without it getting stuck is flip it and stick it to your desk. Flip this over and slide it on in. Well, I have to move it down a little because I have my keyboard over there. There. So let's see. There we go. me see. There's a certain way you have to put them in, but I never can figure it out. Let's just do it my way. There. We're going to put it up and slide the sleeve on down. That way. There. I'm going to stick the 6x6 in here so they don't get, the pages don't get lost. So we have that. Then we have these two sheets. That is pretty. And they're single-sided. I don't know. They obviously came from the same paper pad because this strip up here is this one and this strip is this one. So that is all for this order. And I will say this. Please be kind, be happy, be blessed, be crafty, stay crafty. Be safe, stay safe. Be blessed. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on the budget, and bye-bye for now.